This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to change a data source in Looker Studio. So I'm right here in Looker Studio in the back end. This is one of my projects. Now I've got a couple of pages here. I'm just going to flick to page number 2. Now let's say that I have this right here, which is a website. It's some Google Analytics data. Let's say I actually want to change the data source here. So all of these are scorecards. That's how I've added these and created this dashboard. I have a couple of videos on how to do this on the channel that you can check out. But if I just wanted to change the data source from this scorecard, just to show you how to actually change a data source in general, we will click on the scorecard, and by default setup should be shown. If you're over in style for the formatting options, you just flick over to setup, and you can see right here that creative learners is in fact the data source, and this is Google Analytics data, as you can see here, that's being pulled in. So creative learners, if I want to change that data source, all I do is click here, and then all of the data sources that you currently have on your account will be represented here, including the blended data ones that you might have done. So I can click any of these and just change it out. I could also add a new data source. So if you want to click that one, you've got all of these many options, everything from, like I say, Google Analytics. You can put in like BigQuery stuff, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, etc., etc. So you would click one of those and go through the process. Like if I wanted to swap out here, I could click Google Analytics, and then I could put a different property in here, a different website, different app. Same with Google Sheets. If it's not already connected, you need to click authorize. That will authorize your Google Sheets to talk with Looker Studio, and you'll be able to pull in data from Google Sheets. So that is how you literally change out a data source. You would click here once setup is open, and I can just click these, and you can easily add a data source that you already have existing in your account. If not, you can add a new data source. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, and it's been helpful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.